Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart English with Miss Bushra with another series, and I'm really super excited for this 30 days of speaking language course by Miss Bushra Qadeer only on YouTube live. Question number 1. The most commonly question asked from a lots of my students. They keep asking this question that Miss Bushra, please tell us that why is it important to learn English? And also, I also tell them that alright, this is the high time that we have to learn English. So there are some key benefits to learn English. It can enhance your global communication, it can boost up your career opportunities, it can give you the access information and also the travel opportunities. So students, this is the high time that we should start practicing and learning English together from the lesson number 1 from day 1. Let's do it together. Why English is important? This is very important question. If you are learning English, you must know that why is it important. If you don't know the importance of something, how can you give the value to that? So, English is a global language spoken by millions. It is an official language in many countries, including the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Students, do you know the most common thing that comes in our mind when we are going to travel, when we are going to apply for the job, when we are going to have the communication interview? There is the one, barrier for Asian people, for Asian students, that is English. And to be honest, let's fix this issue together. Why learn English? Now I'm going to categorize those points. I'm going to summarize those points here one by one. Get a better job. That is true. After qualifying your education, whether you will complete your BBA or whether you'll complete your MBA, PhD, MPhil, the communication that you will going to be used all around the world, that is the medium of the language, which is English. Let's fix this language together from the very beginning. To take out your notebooks, take out your registers and mark the points, make some bullets notes, and let's work together. So the next point we have is it's all about study abroad. Most importantly, if you're going to apply for the IELTS, if you are going to apply or any sort of visa where you are going to study abroad, definitely, so you will be having the power of this communication. Knowing English can help you get into top universities, top offices, a good quality of education. It can add value to your speaking. This is true. So students, I am sharing some of the tips right now. I'm going to tell you some of the learning methodology. If you are watching right now, please take out your notebooks and mentioning all these bullet points in your notebook from one till the next. So point number 3 is all about travel. Yes, that is, we cannot deny. When you are traveling, like from Pakistan to Canada, or from Pakistan to India, even, or from Pakistan to Saudi Arabia, or from Pakistan to any other country, English is widely spoken, making travel easier. You cannot speak Arab, you don't know. You cannot speak Chinese, you don't know. So you cannot learn many languages, but you can learn English, and you have the command to communicate with others. And this is true. It makes your traveling experience easier. It makes your wonderful experience of the traveling. So students, this is a high time that we have to practice ourselves and try to make and write down these notes in your register. This is the first lesson. Inshallah ta'ala, slowly when we'll move to our next lessons, we will learn a lot of things together. Point number 4, access global media. This is true. It can open the door of the global media. It can do wonders. Likewise, this is the time of the social media, internet, digital era that we are living. English is the language of the internet, movies, music, and TV. You cannot deny the fact that if you are going to open the LinkedIn profile, you are going to open the Instagram, Twitter, X, Thread, YouTube even, you will find the medium that is English. So if you want to earn money, you have to learn this language in order to be a successful in business in every field of life. Now, the most common question, that is how, from where to start. So, students, you are already at the right platform. You are already at the platform where you have already started your day first. Let's grow together. Let's not leave this, learning platform. Just share the tips. I'll be sharing the tips with all of you. And there are the basic tips that can polish your speaking, polish your understanding of English. So the tip number one, read, read, and read. The tip number two, listen, write, speak. These are some of the practical tips which I have shared with all of you. So you have to write these tips in your notebook to make you more understanding. Practice speaking. Now we are going to talk about each one of them. Find a language partner or join a speaking club. MashaAllah, have already joined the club. You have already joined the community Smart English with Miss Bushra, where you are learning on daily basis free online spoken course, where you are and you will be the master in English. So you are already doing it. Just continue your progress. Keep showing your consistency. Be regular. Have some patience and participate in all the questions which are being asked. Watch English, that is important. Improve listening and comprehension skills. So, do you watch any media? Do you watch the media that can improve your English? Are you watching a Smart English with Miss Bushra? How many hours are you spending on our community or on our channel for your betterment of speaking, for your growth? How many hours are you spending on Smart English with Miss Bushra or any other platform where you can learn productivity? Read English. Now, right now, what you are doing, you are reading. I'm telling you something and you are listening and reading it together. So it can improve your vocabulary, it can improve your construction of the words, it can enhance your word sentences, it can give you a chance to be a better reader, it can improve your communication skills. Students, this is the high time that we have to work together and learn English together. Learning English can open doors and help you succeed with practice and dedication. You can become proficient and achieve your goal. So start learning English today. This is very important. Now, mashallah, you have already started. Just be consistent. Now let's talk about that my strategy for this lesson, for this course, which I will follow. There are some strategies which I'm going to mention it on the board. Just write it down one by one in your notebook, so then you can get the vocabulary also you can understand what your teacher Miss Bushra is teaching you. That point number one is building foundation. Yes, we will help you to build your vocabulary, pronunciation, and also grammar, as grammar is very important. Practice and conversation. We will practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing. This exercise basically helps you to improve your language. That is true. So I will give you some tasks for your reading. I will give you some tasks for writing. Also, I will give you some tasks for your speaking that can polish your skills. But for that, you have to make a promise to yourself that you will be consistent to this course and you will give at least 15 to 20 minutes to yourself from your day to learn English from lesson 1 till lesson 30. Let's learn together. Real life scenarios. We will explore real life situations, role plays, and conversations to help you communicate very confidentially. So students, I will definitely make some, I have already, by the way, created a lot of activities for all of my students. So let's just have a little bit patience for more lessons to be uploaded. Interactive sessions. We will have definitely live sessions also, and I will going to have a kind of a session, Q&A session with all of you, where I will ask questions from you and I will also answer your queries and your questions. We can have some games together and we can make learning fun. It can be engaging. So students, I would suggest you to write these all 4 points, four strategies of mine, and stay blessed, stay connected, and let's hope for the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit on the bell icon. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Bye bye.